Hey people, so this is my second video of the day, and as you can see, this little black rabbit it has color only on one side. On the other side, you could say that it's almost like completely black. So it's so fascinating that nature creates the creations are in so many different varieties, and they eat all kinds of anything that they find. It goes into their tummy. So that's why rabbits, have realized, are very fragile creatures, and this is how the rest of the it is just a very keeping a pet is a responsibility, really. And in terms of especially, but luckily, if you were to look at it, this looks like a 2-month old rabbit. So because 1 month old are really tiny. So yeah, 2-month old, they have a better chance of survival than the ones who've just been like literally plucked from their mothers, the 1 month old. So this one is 2 months old, I think, and it's a tiny little badmash, but it's adorable little animal. So it's again a 1 minute video, and they keep pooping everywhere, but it's okay. I need to, but they climb on their own. It's not as if I brought him on the bed. He climbed on his own. So now I'll get on with my day, and these are my collection of books. This is the background you normally see. So anyway, people, so on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.